Pavel's group is advancing towards Tretikovskaya, also known as...
Well, that fucking sucks. I was really about... You know what? Let's try this again. Hi, everyone. I was really about to let this do its intro and not talk over it. Wow, that sucks. Well, let's try this again now because fuck. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, part 4. Yes, part 4. And let's try it again.
Pavel's group is advancing towards Tretikovskaya, also known as
Ooh, wait, we got problem here. Ain't no way. Wait, hold up.
And are moving via frequently used tunnels. But I will catch up. I can't afford not to.
Okay, now we're back. Officially back. I let that play out. I just had to reload a different chapter, but we're here. My phone, how dare you! All right, let me turn this on. Who texted me? I'll let you know. I'll expose him. You know, it's my homie. You know what? It's spooky. You know how your homies be texting you. Let's go negative. All right, you know, it's just us chatting around. But okay, we're back. Officially part 4 again. Bandits. Pavel, I remember them. I hate them. I hate everyone. We hate everyone here now. And I crashed. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna drive. Shut up. Okay, I think I remember now. I'm remembering. I'm kind of remember what happened. I'm just gonna drive with that body. I'm not trying to get damaged by this because it's hurting me a little. Oh, I remember this now. Oh, I remember these people. All right, wow, I'm really back that far. Okay, so. Hey, boom! What up? What up, gang? Bow, 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 bow. I'm shooting you first. Why are you looking at me like that?
We are armed. Swear by Lenin's name.
He doesn't look like a GB. I don't recognize the uniform.
Could he be one of ours? Look at all his
Bro,
weapons.
I work with the order.
Don't shoot.
It's all good.
We are civilians. There are women and children here. Leave and let leave, okay?
We're refugees
Yeah,
from the
we're
Red
good,
Line.
we're good, we're cool.
I'm in charge here, basically. No, there's nobody under my command. All the battle-worthy men went with the other caravan. Half a click ahead. I thought they'd protect us, but they.
All right, so my goal is to save one person, 2 people in particular. Like, are you a dog?
But it doesn't look like
or
our
are you
people
a man
survived.
or something like that? My
So
goal
we
is
can't
to
go
save
any
them. I
further.
will save them.
And if we go back, it's the firing squad for us. You look like you've seen your share of fights.
Yes, I have.
Can you help us?
No, I
It's
won't.
not for me, but I pity the children.
You pity the children, brother. Me, I'm a child.
What do we do now? How do we live without them?
They might still be alive.
Ow!
Don't bury them.
Ow! Okay.
But the shooting.
Oh, I can get out the car. Damn. I was just like waiting to get out.
And what
Now
if they
there's
won?
nothing. Hey,
Why?
I'd like to talk to you, my guy. How
They might
are
come
you?
soon. Let's
I would
just
like
wait.
you to customize. Is this night vision? Yeah, I don't need night vision.
It could have. Or it could be worse. Women were with us.
Go. I like this. Go. With the silencer, of course.
You're the happiest guy around.
So, we're going to help our guys.
Silencer, of course. Okay, now we able to do some damn. Me personally, we able to do some fixes the bastards main problem is the overheat. It's like,
That stranger is going to help us. Looks like he's worth 20 of you anyway.
yo, listen. I am going to save everyone. So.
These are perfect. Buy some.
Stupid blacksmith.
Shut your mouth. Andre is insane. He cut us all out, and lots of people before us.
This is just.
Take all the bullets, baby.
See ya.
And how the hell was
All right. Oh, what are we doing? Okay, here we go. Let's move. All right, you guys start arguing with each other and blah 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 blah. Let me take the mask off. Damn, fucking all that shit. I like this gun now. Like the gun I have right here, I feel it. I feel strong.
What the hell was that? We'll kill them later. Let me go, please.
Oh, I'm stuck.
Shut your trap, bitch. Enough of your whining. Nobody's coming.
Well, Pratt, you do it first since you want. I'll stand.
I'll spin God.
Come on, spread them legs.
Oh, please, don't, no!
Yeah, no, we just kill him. Hey, buddy. I hope you noticed the car.
What the fuck's taking so long? Stas! Cross-eye! Where the hell are you?
Dead. Ooh. Ooh, I love it. Alright, I'm not gonna bring the car forward. I gotta save the other dude though.
What the fuck are you doing there for so long? We searched everything already.
We had a lot of shit here. Might have missed some bullets over there.
Well, move your ass. The other
Did he just fling the fucking thing? Alright. First you.
Hey, who the fuck is this?
And then you.
You don't like what's sweet here, huh? There's not enough food here without you assholes.
It's getting better, though. When the Nazis and the commies are at it again, we'll get us a piece of action. War's good for business. Right. What do you do with them next?
Ah, you had it coming. You're all down, you bastard.
Wait, why are you running?
Untie me, please. I can't take.
Bro, why are you right? Why are you running? Sir, I sped run it to save you.
Thanks, man.
Are you? Oh, he's dead.
Come on.
He died. Why did your boy run?
Look,
Sir.
untie me, please. I can't take it.
Yeah, sure. Yeah,
Thanks.
I saved you. Yeah, no problem.
Thanks, man. I thought I was done for.
I saved your friend, but like he ran off like a bitch.
The women.
No, I generally saved.
The rail guards will keep us right through.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead. I mean, like I rushed it for no reason, and apparently.
Be careful in the technical
Give me a perk.
I heard the bandits talk about the trap there.
Bro, you saw how easily I smoked him? I love this gun. I just smoked him. Yeah, dead as hell. Give me your shit. Give me this, the dude. Wait, yeah. I smoked you from far away. Oh, no. Oh, okay. I can't search you? Okay, I guess I don't want to touch you. So they did kill that caravan. Oh, let me touch you. You ain't shit. All right, let's get going. Let's go bring the car up. So I saved the woman, and I'm counting it as a win. I saved 2 people. His dumbass wanted to start running. Hey, you know when bullets start flying, you know you're runners, right? Runners and your track stars. Can't run to get far. All right, see you later. Where are you? See you later.
Thank you
Good luck.
again.
Yeah, no
I'll
problem.
just rest here for now.
Yeah, definitely. All right, poisonous gas. See, no, dumbass is number 1 really ran out of here, said, I'm him. Where is he? Yeah, oh, I ran him over. Dumbass.
What about the guy? Nothing so far. What's taking you so long? It's a piece of cake.
Should I hold everyone accountable? Because I realize that like actions of one man, it takes the rest of the group. Do I do that? Do I kill everyone here?
I'll go have a look.
Oh yeah, no, I was betrayed. Never mind.
Okay.
I remember. I was betrayed by the Reds, so they're all dead to me. Every single one of them's dead to me. Never forget your rage. Yeah, you surely taking your time. It's totally not because I just murdered everyone in cold blood and I'm waiting for me to stick my vicious knife into you. I got Yes, slumped over. Tooted up. Give me your shit. Let's move. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Quiet, everyone. We don't need to make a scene. Okay? Dumbass. Shouldn't have peeked. Should have, yeah, the brat. You know, your imagination. Hey, buddy. Tooted. Please give me the gun. Wait, is this the gun? Wait, yeah, this is the gun. Yeah. Yeah. Luger with the extendo. Can you say it with me now? Luger with the extendo. Hey. Peekaboo.
Man, the bitch is here.
Yeah, bobbed his ass. I want people looking. Go look. Ask me.
Attention! Enemy close!
An enemy close? Are you sure about that? Alarm, there's an enemy closer. You don't know how many people he dropped. But he dropped a nut. Oh shit, he did. You saw the action roll? That was actually pretty cool. But I got the extendo. You're dead. You're dead too. Yeah, look at you, Tooted. Can I shoot this? All right, let's go air him out with the shotgun. Hey, can you see me? Can I enter through the window? Hey, look at him posted up. All right, we're gonna take a look at him in just a second. But we gotta clear out the rest of the team. Oh, I see you. Oh, I saw you. Don't peek. Don't peek. Oh, I see your boy. I see your boy. Ow, ow, ow. Bitch ass, bitch ass. That hurt, but let me pop hurt. To show you like you. Don't peek. Don't peek. Oh, you peeking? Oh, I'm sorry. I pre-shot. Sorry. Wait. Did he go through the wall? I must have been tripping. But I swear he kind of went through the wall. Anyway. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, the key. All right, let's turn the light on since now I can be able to like see. Damn, got your ass. Tooted up. All right, you know, I like my guns. Ah, you look at you. Ah, look at your ass. Slumped. Oh yeah, that's not the guy. Let's go to the guy. Hey, here. Ah, look how I got it. Ah, look at him. Look at him. Luger. Oh. Okay, I'm sorry. I am so sorry. Yeah. Little bit fresh blood on me don't hurt. Little good blood on me. Yeah, I know what I gotta do. Just Make sure all my guns are reloaded so you know I'm not caught lacking. There we go. Make sure I take all the ammo I need because I can sell it. Damn, I can't leave. I like this. I love this gun right here. This gun aired out the entire hallway. I love it. All right, let's start driving. See me rolling. Hey, let me run your ass over. Crunch. Yeah. Crunch. Bitch ass. All right, let's get out of here. We driving. All right, so nothing.
So what? How we going?
Oh.
The boss said if we let just one snitch slip by, he's gonna have our asses. No shit.
No shit. Watch me. What should we hit him with? You know, yep, we're feeling this. We feeling Luger, right? Come to the crosshairs. I missed. I missed. I got both of them, though. I got both of them. Be like, yeah, look at your ass. Oh, you got shotgun shells. Let me see your boy. Let me touch your boy. Thank you for the ammo. What the fuck is this? Which way are we going? Seems that we're going out. Do I need to switch it? Okay, we're good. Now we're going that way. I'm curious. What happens if we go this way? Oh shit! Oh shit! You know, good thing we didn't go. Oh, anything here? Oh. You know, it's a good day when they give me fire. I'm gonna keep that fire on me. Should I go through the car? No, I'm gonna go grab the car. And nope, I didn't want to do that. I'll grab this. Yeah, always recharge this. Keep the car going, baby. It's your groove thing. It's your groove thing. Yeah, yeah. What?
Just off the lot of you, or I'm gonna slice you through.
See, now this is where I start airing it out.
No shit. There's no use blocking those holes out. The damn Marcellus just keep coming. But we still must have access to Venice. Fuck. We're in some deep shit, bro. Well.
No, you're not. You're good. No more deep shit for you. No more deep shit for any of y'all. It's okay. I will take the pain away from you. Ooh, that's a good scope. But listen, I will take the pain from all of you away. That's so scary.
I go, what the fuck was that? And the guy said, we're okay, but the voices didn't sound like them. I'm telling them, let's go back. And they say, no,
Dumbass.
no, we're good here. It's okay. Then I remembered my lighter, so I flicked it open, and I see them just sitting there, mouths open, that black shit seeping in and out of them. My friend Yurka, he starts screaming, and he swats the lighter out of my hand. So I ran like hell back to the stations, and nobody heard of them again.
Fuck, that's intense.
Fuck, that's
You hear the
intense.
one about the tunnel master?
No.
Well, you know at the end stations of all the lines. Where the tunnel terminates, and guys make a fire, drink, play cards. So, sometimes, one of those guys just stands up and walks off into the tunnel. And that's fun. So, if you ask the guy where he's going, he says, I've been summoned by the master. And once a person is summoned, even if you tie them to their bunks, they'll just chew their ropes off and run off into the tunnel. Damn.
Cool story, bro.
Hey, was it?
Yeah, that's everyone. That is everyone. Cool story, but I don't care. I mean, you guys kidnapped a woman. You guys do not. I do not care about your legendary stories. In fact, I'm glad the stories end. Look at you slumped up. Look at his ass slumped. Okay, let's continue. All right, so this one, I'm airing it the fuck out. And I got Draco.
Please, please, spare us. Spare us.
Yeah, you bitch. Got you. Weave. Where'd the kid go? Where? Where? Where, kid? Obviously not through here. Where'd you go, kid? Wait, so did we just leave out through this way? Okay. You think they went this way? I mean, like, why would I stab it? All right, so I mean, like, my car kind of fucked up and I can't go buy it. Can I blow it up? You think I could blow it up? I mean, like, I got dynamite. Might as well. Good throw, Keith. Damn, that didn't do a damn thing. Okay, so I am kind of the smart. People think I'm smart, right? I'm smart. What if? First off, let me check my calendar. Yep. See, it's telling me. But like, why would I do this? Oh, okay. Okay. Tap. Alright, so I'm gonna need some speed. Some fucking speed for this. Tally ho, motherfuckers. Tally ho. I thought I was gonna hurt myself if I, like, you know, because it looks like I could hurt myself on this shit, bro. See, I did hurt myself on this shit, bro. Oh, fuck, bro. See, I told you I was gonna hurt myself, but no, no one believes me. Thank you, buddy. Keep it real, I probably like fucked up. I fucked up the entire like people there. All right, let's keep it moving. Ain't no pressure. Now make a dime. Yep, this way. I'm a little scared. This way. Was that a growl? Who growling? Like, growlers are for like losers. Oh. Oh, for real? Get inside. Oh, I'm ready for you. Stand on big business. Where's my knives? I'm ready for your asses. Turn the lights off. I can't see. You can't see. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's a person. My bad. On everything, that's my bad. To be real with you, you looked. Why was you moving like that? Oh, fuck me. Fire. Yep, fuck him. They yelling like they not the same. Okay, they the same. Yo, mutants, don't fuck with me. I killed so many of y'all. Please. Got some. Listen, I got to switch 30 round drum mag, Luger, extendo, 6 rounds shotgun shells. You don't want none. I don't want none. Wait, what's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? Oh, I gotta tap that? Oh, okay. Shotgun. Hey, yo, listen, shotgun shells. That's all I need. What's a good spot? What's a good spot? Oh, oh, who did it? Come on, come with it. Come with it, bitches. Oh, 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 he's jumping. He's Spider-Man. Oh, die, Spidey. Don't jump at me. Give me a second. I'm healing. I'm healing. That's cheating. That's cheating. You respect the heal. Luger. Bolt's here yet? No, Bolt's not here yet. Ah! Respect the reload. Knife. Who's that? Ah! Respect me. Ah! I got the Draco. They ate all that shit. Respect the little. See, I tried. You know what? I forgot that I have grenades. It's when you forget you have stuff. Okay, let me. Listen, none of y'all will show now. Y'all show yourself. Bow, 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 bow. Bitch ass, little bitch. Yeah, shot yo in your asshole. Alright, I'm so scared. I am so scared. Shot me in ya. Oh, okay, okay, so yeah. So it looks like I'm gonna be running around this bitch. Ooh, they're giving me ammo. All right, so I think up here would be a good place to defend. I think up here. All right, let's go. We in this. Oh, and they giving me perks. I remember, perks on the floor. Percocets. Percocets on the floor. I'm going up top. I'm going up top. They can't jump me. They not going to. Oh, where did they come from here though? Nah, they're not gonna come from here. Shotgun. What is that? What are you? Wait, hold up, hold up. Fuck. Give me this. What are you? Reload, reload. Okay, what is this? Okay, I think I can fuck with them. All right, come up here. Come with it. Come here. Boo! Ooh, I love this. 4 shells. You're dead. You're fucking dead. You're atoms. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Bless. Fuck you. I told you. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Told you. I'm scared, little boy. I'm a scared little boy. That eats ammo though. That eats hella ammo. 4 shots. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Oh, it's 2 shots per thing. Pop a perk. Okay, so it's 2 okay, so that's different. Because I thought I would at least had an extra shell. We shooting 2 per shot. Yeah, bitch ass, look at you. Caught lacking, dummy. Fuck you. Thought it was gonna be all mysterious. Where's daddy? Not there. All right, so I'm not going with the shotgun. I'm going with the 6. Where's daddy? Not coming home. Bitch ass trying to scare me. All right, so I'm still sticking with the shotgun. Like, yeah, I see the purpose, but like 2 taps. All right, let's go. Let's hit it. Let's go. Hit it with it. Let's go. My shots hitting. They hit. Luger, fuck the Luger. Come on. Boom. Gone. All right, who's next? Oh, fuck you. See, you're gone. See, reload. Who's next? Reload the switch. Ah! Switch it down. Welcome down, Wanda. Who's next? Luger time. I think I hit him. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Don't. I said get away from me. Don't you read? I said. What did I say? Oh, don't touch. Respect the reload. Come on, reload, 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 reload. I'm so scared. I have enough. Why do you look so bloody? Why are you getting so close to me? Don't respect me. Respect the gun switch. Pop a perp. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch. Who's here touching me? Oh, fall, 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 fall. Okay, go. Let's good, good shit. Oh, you're not even here yet. Oh, respect me. Shoot, if you can shoot, please. I would love to. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. That's another one of you. That's two. Oh, something's touching. Oh, hey, hey, buddy. Oh, we did it. Oh, we did. Oh, we did it. Give me a second. I gotta reload. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna make sure to save this guy.
Damn, you're crazy. What were you thinking going there alone?
Oh.
Okay, okay, you can tell me the tale later. Right now we're entering the fairway and plotting a course to the base.
Oh my god, my heart. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
The snow on the surface starts melting. The familiar rail cars are now joined with boats and fishermen. One of them appeared just in the nick of time. Soon we'll be docked at Venice. Pavel is most probably already there.
I hope he's there. I hope he's there. Let's get his ass. Oh, we did it.
I don't usually fish in this tunnel, but I had a hunch they'd be biting pretty good here.
Listen, my Privyet. What the fuck? What the fuck? Yo, get me in, get me up. What the fuck was that?
That was close. Look,
Oh, my heart.
careful here. There's more than just fish in that water. For yourself.
Fuck you, me.
Grab the railing when I warn you.
Oh, for real? All right, I'm gonna hold on. All right, this. Where's the, what railing? Which railing? Like, what's a good railing?
This tunnel leads to Revolution Square in the red.
So,
I saw a boat coming in from there today. Some serious dudes. No refugees.
what the fuck? I've been fucking him up. I live.
See how they just rested? Easy, easy. He's not here to harm you. Nobody knows what they mutated from. We call them creeps. Ugly as hell, but they're good eating, especially with meat.
Okay. So they don't want no smoke. We like that. Do your thing. We do our thing. You know, let me turn the light off. You guys probably hate the light. Oh. Yo, don't touch me. Get him off me. Get him off me. Nah, get him off me. Get him off. Nah, fuck out of here. You good? Slime, you said these people were good.
We've got to get out of here!
Bro, hit the jets.
They
Let me pop a perk. Don't worry, I got one. I got that though. Oh, let me. Anyone else? They keep hitting me, bro. They just throwing acid at me. Where are they at? We good? We fuck you. Fuck you, fucking acid, bro. Fuck you. They on? Oh, I tossed a fucking. It made me toss a grenade. Hey, please, catch these. Oh shit, you get a club. Good shit. Get the fuck out of here. Fuck out. Is there two? Bow! Two, just two. Oh, two. Oh shit. Who's hitting me? Pop a perk. Oh, no, respect the heal. Yo, respect the heal. I'm keep hitting. Yo, they're spitting on me. Woo! I love it. Oh, you taking them drags. Oh, shit. Ooh. Ooh. I'm holding on. Yo, the wave. Good shit. Good shit.
Oh, wow, this doesn't happen often. Looks like we lucked out.
This doesn't happen often. You used a whole
the subterranean Venice,
box of grenades, bro.
Dark waters of underground rivers.
That could have blown up a bunker.
Circulating about this place. I hear it is all one huge den of thieves. But there is something I know for sure. Pavel reached Venice, and if I'm not late, he's still here. Finding the Dark One is still my main mission. But now I see I must also uncover Corbett's plans so that I can warn the Order about them.
And we'll figure that out next time in the next episode. All right, I'll see y'all, homies. Bye-bye.